Hello, today we will guide you through how to add 1098T on H&R Block. To start, make sure you're signed in and your return is open. From the H&R Block main menu for your return, head to the Overview page. This gives you a clear starting point and makes it easy to jump into the right part of your return. Next, go to the Federal section so you're working within your federal interview. If you see an option to go to the beginning of your return, select it. This places you at the start of the guided flow, which helps the software present the correct questions and topics in order. When you're ready, click Next to move past the initial screens and continue. Now open the income area. Even though Form 1098T relates to education, H&R Block organizes topics so you can search and add them from this section. Choose Add another income type to open the full list of topics and tools. If the list is long, simply scroll down until you see the search field or the broader topic categories. In the search box, type 1098T. You can include or omit the dash. The search will recognize it either way. You'll see a result for 1098T. Click on it to begin the tuition statement interview. This selection takes you to the screens where you'll enter the details from your school's Form 1098T. Before you proceed, it helps to have your actual 1098T on hand. You'll typically use the school's name and identification number shown on the form, along with the amounts listed in the boxes, such as payments received for qualified tuition and scholarships or grants. Enter the amounts exactly as they appear and don't round unless the software instructs you to. If your education expenses include items not shown on the form, the interview may ask follow-up questions so the software can calculate education credits correctly. As you work through these prompts, keep in mind that the information you provide here helps determine eligibility for education benefits like the American Opportunity Credit or the Lifetime Learning Credit. If your school or the IRS imported a 1098T into your account, confirm it isn't already listed to avoid duplicates. If you don't immediately see the search field, scroll a bit more, or make sure you're still in the income section you opened earlier. Once you've clicked the 1098T topic and reviewed the on-screen guidance, continue following the prompts until you've finished entering your tuition statement details. That's all there is to getting the 1098T section started within H&R Block.